Hello guys, so we're going somewhere. I don't know where. Let's see if where we are going, but first we will go to my Philo Filipino to get something, and then after that I don't know where to go. Let's see if where.
Are we going for a massage after that?
Massage.
Yeah.
So makita mga kasukasuan. So maybe massage. Yeah. It's been a long time since I do videos again. Pasensya na kayo guys. It's kind of like I don't know. It's kind of bit, it's not so busy, but yeah. So there's something came up all the time, so yeah.
We are kind of busy if you think about it. These things happening all the time now. But you saw other girls with that?
Yeah.
I have no idea why.
Look at the weather guys. I'm gonna show you the weather. Ano siya, hindi siya gaanong mainit. Cloudy. So yeah, it's cloudy and a little bit windy, but it's fine. Where are we going, mahal ko?
To
The
this
massage.
massage place. I want to see if we can get a appointment.
Ah, okay.
They are here somewhere.
Maybe just slow down so that we can see. Spa and skin clinic. How to? Yan. If maganda and magpapa-appoint kami.
Morning. Hi. Are you guys having space for today?
No, so we only do it on the outer appointments.
Okay.
So sorry, can we do this another day perhaps?
I don't think tomorrow is going to work for us, right?
And then
Yes.
the spa, sorry, Sundays is the only time the spa's closed too.
Sundays are closed.
Yeah, and Christmas and Easter time. Rest of the year we're here.
Then we'll just have to find ahead of time again. All right.
Yeah.
Okay, no problem.
Maybe
they
Would you
have
to
like-
one?
Yeah, for
Some
Yeah.
mobile numbers on there as
Thank
well
you.
at the
thank
bottom.
you so much.
Yeah, this time of year. Okay,
Thank you so much. Thank you. Maybe before the dance. Yeah, you know, on the 23rd, maybe. We should put foot in.
So, ayun guys. Fully booked sila. Siguro maganda dito talaga. Maybe it's beautiful here. Maybe the quality here is good. Their services is good because it's fully booked.
They're kind
So-
of famous, Mahal.
Yeah, so
And you can see here what they are offering.
So, ayun, fully booked sila, guys. Sabi ko, ipapa-treatment, alam ba yun yung, kung may laser sila na, sa pimple mark. Ganon, pimple mark. And then, pimple mark, ang problema ko, my problem only is like pimple mark. You know, like dark spot. That's it. Nung dumating ako dito, guys, ano ba yun? Ewan ko, na-allergy siguro ako sa weather or hindi ko alam. But sa Pilipinas, paunti-unti lang yung tubo ng pimples ko. But dito, parang dumamage ka ganon. Nag-break out, baga. Tapos nahihirapan akong tanggalin kasi wala dito sa South Africa, wala ditong there's no ointment here to remove black spot, something like that. So the only way is like What's that? Like
laser.
something like that. I don't know.
Otherwise, it's not going to work. If it's just ointments and stuff, creams, it's not going to work.
I don't know, guys. Sa akin kasi ano, ang tawag doon, pag paisa-isa, pailan-ilan, it's fine. Hindi ako nababothered. But when it's a lot, you know, like if it's like a lot here, a lot, ewan ko, ako lang to. Yung alam mo yung sa akin lang, parang nababothered ako. Yung parang ito yung insecurities ko. Wala akong ibang insecurities kahit na yung alam mo doon, kahit na hindi ako matangkad, kahit na hindi ka kinisan yung mukha ko or yung balat ko, wapakels ako doon. But you know, like sa mukha kasi di ba aminin nyo, you first look on the face before anything else. So yeah, I don't know. Maarte lang ako, guys, pasensya na kayo. Arty-artyhan tayo, hindi naman maganda, no? But anyway, yun ang yung dahilan ng pag nagkaka-traffic dito, hindi dahil yung nagsisingit-singitan, kundi dahil may ginagawa like this. Hindi naman siya ginagawa, parang may dineliver lang na truck van. Yun, look at this, guys. If you can see, like my pimple mark, then yeah, like that.
Are they open? Yeah.
Kain muna daw kami, nagutom ang lola mo.
Okay, so this is
Hindi
one place I'm going to take you to. You have not been there yet, so yeah.
No, not yet. So we're gonna eat, guys. First, before going to Table View, we're going to Table View to get something to my co-Filipino here. So for now, we're gonna eat first. Kasi malayo din yun, how many hours, mahal, before get there in Table View. I think it's like 1 hour,
Like
more
an
than
hour.
1 hour, yeah. So 1 hour na biyahe. Look at this, guys. That's our view here. You can see the city, I mean not city, like Strand here. So we're going to eat there. If you can see the helicopter thing, we are going to eat there.
So easy. Parking here is always difficult. But she is coming out. Is she coming out?
Ang problem lang dito, guys, ay parking.
They are coming out.
Because crowded. Lagi.
Fuck, let's just give that parking to that guy.
Where? It says that
Give it to that guy.
it's like that's the line.
There's a queue.
Yeah,
Are we gonna wait in a queue?
I don't know, but yeah, maybe we. I don't know, because look at that, and then how long they gonna eat? You know.
Yeah. Maybe it will be difficult to find something. You wanna go?
No, well, no, mahal. Can we skip this? Maybe
Skip
we
this?
can. Yeah, we can
Find
eat.
somewhere else.
Yeah, we can eat somewhere else. Kasi pila, look at that, guys. Sa pila. Maghanap na lang kami ng kakainang iba. Kasi pila doon. Mga ilang oras pa matapos kumain yung iba. So, ayun, nakahanap nga kami ng kakainang iba. Dito makikita mo puro mga omahin opa yung kumakain. No choice kami guys kasi puno doon sa una naming pinuntahan. So, ayun. Yan yung food namin. Ako umorder ng pasta, tapos yung asawa ko umorder ng salmon. Ewan ko kung ano yun. So, ayun guys, tapos na kami kumain. So, punta na kami sa Table View. Magbiyahe na kami. 1 hour.
Yeah, at least an hour. Mahal, see the tablecloth on the mountain? We call that the tablecloth. It's cold out. Yeah.
Hello guys, so ayun pauwi na kami from Table View. And napadaan kami saglit. What's that called? Beach? What that beach called?
Blauberg.
Ah, Blauberg. Blauberg Beach. Beach?
Blauberg Beach.
Yeah, Blauberg Beach. In Table View. Malamig. Akala na nag-start na ang summer. Nag-start na pero medyo malamig-lamig pa din. Nakuha na namin yung kukunin naming gamit. And ngayon, pauwi na kami. So, dyan nagtatapos ang ating video. So the video is going to end now. So bye bye guys. Bye bye mahal.
Bye bye.